Hey fans, welcome back! Get ready to dive into a world of ingenious gadgets and tools with this ultimate guide. Discover everything from productivity-boosting tools to the latest cutting-edge technologies. Introducing the Loggerhead Tool's Bionic Wrench, a groundbreaking tool that combines the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the simplicity of pliers. This innovative tool makes tightening or loosening bolts and nuts of any size effortless. What makes the Bionic wrench stand out? Patented Bionic grip. Wraps around the bolt or nut, evenly distributing forces for 10 to 30 times more gripping power than a standard wrench. Serrated jaws. Provide a secure hold on slippery surfaces, preventing slipping. One-handed adjustment. Quickly resize the wrench to fit different nuts and bolts with ease. Ergonomic grip. Reduces hand fatigue, ensuring comfort during extended use. With the Loggerhead Tool's Bionic wrench, your maintenance tasks will be faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Introducing the PPR Pipe Welding Machine, a revolutionary tool that outperforms standard pipe welders. This innovative device seamlessly works with pipes, receiver plugs, or adapters, making your welding tasks easier and more efficient. It comes with 3 sleeves for different pipe sizes, simplifying the process. Just insert the pipe on one side, melting the upper edge, and the adapter or plug on the other side, softening the plastic inside. In just 5 seconds, everything is ready for gluing, creating a strong and reliable joint. Why settle for ordinary when you can upgrade to the PPR Pipe Welding Machine for just $79? Experience faster, sturdier welds and make your projects a breeze. Introducing the Fusion Drill-powered Cultivator, a game-changer for gardening enthusiasts. This tool easily attaches to any cordless drill, providing a powerful yet lightweight solution for tilling soil. Made from durable high-density plastic and machined aluminum, it boasts 4 robust steel tines that effortlessly cut through soil. The oversized adjustable handle ensures ergonomic comfort, while the included side support bars offer extra control, especially in tough soil or near delicate plants. Ideal for small gardens, raised beds, and tight spaces where traditional rototillers can't reach, this drill-powered cultivator makes soil tilling a breeze. Save time and effort with this must-have gardening tool. Introducing the Loggerhead Tool's Bionic Wrench, a groundbreaking tool that combines the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the simplicity of pliers. This innovative tool makes tightening or loosening bolts and nuts of any size effortless. What makes the Bionic wrench stand out? Patented Bionic grip. Wraps around the bolt or nut, evenly distributing forces for 10 to 30 times more gripping power than a standard wrench. Serrated jaws. Provide a secure hold on slippery surfaces, preventing slipping. One-handed adjustment. Quickly resize the wrench to fit different nuts and bolts with ease. Ergonomic grip. Reduces hand fatigue, ensuring comfort during extended use. With the Loggerhead Tool's Bionic wrench, your maintenance tasks will be faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Meet the Distar RM-TX, a diamond core drill bit designed for high-speed drilling through the toughest materials, all without water. Featuring diamond segments with oriented diamond technology and a turbo-shaped design, it ensures swift and efficient drilling. Available in outer diameters from 42 to 152 mm and lengths of 300 or 450 mm. With a shank size of 1¼ UNC, this versatile tool effortlessly tackles concrete, brick, stone, and more. Experience unparalleled high-speed drilling with the Distar RM-TX, your ultimate solution for conquering even the most challenging materials with ease. Every handyman knows the importance of a sharp drill bit for precise work. That's where the Sparta drill bit sharpener comes in. Compact and efficient, this sharpener easily attaches to your drill, using its power to keep your bits in top condition. No complicated setups or extra tools needed. Just attach it, power up, and let it sharpen your bits effortlessly. Designed for common bit sizes, it features a durable wet stone that you can easily replace when needed. This ensures your drill bits stay sharp and ready for any task. Keep your projects on track with the Sparta drill bit sharpener, available for just $62. Meet the Hyde Tool's Folding Painter's Tool, a versatile must-have for any home or job site. This handy tool comes with 2 stainless steel blades, one flat and one curved, plus a pointed end for precision tasks. Whether you're scraping, spreading, or removing paint, these rust-resistant blades get the job done. Its durable nylon handle folds away neatly, making storage safe and easy while reducing the risk of accidental cuts or damage. Perfect for homeowners and professional painters alike, the Hyde Tool's Folding Painter's Tool combines convenience and reliability. Just remember, those blades are sharp, so handle with care. It may not be as heavy-duty as some multi-tools, but its versatility makes it an essential addition to any toolbox. If you've ever tackled laminate flooring, you know how tricky it can be to get clean cuts. Hand saws are tedious, and electric saws can be too rough, risking damage to the connectors. But don't worry, there's a perfect solution. The Roberts 18 PrecisionCuts Pro Multi-Floor Cutter. This amazing tool works like a guillotine, effortlessly slicing through laminate and parquet flooring with precision. No more noisy electric saws, no sawdust mess, and no rough edges to deal with. It's like cutting through butter. Next time your friends admire your flawlessly installed floor, you can proudly credit this revolutionary cutter. Say goodbye to struggling with saws and hello to easy, professional-looking flooring installation. Introducing the Advanced Elements Summer Shower. This portable shower works on gravity. No cords, batteries, or fancy gadgets needed. Even when it's almost empty, it still delivers strong water pressure. And get this! On sunny days, it heats the water up to 38 degrees Celsius in just 3 hours. The 19-liter version weighs only 600 grams when empty, making it super easy to carry. The basic kit includes towel straps, a compartment for your soap and shampoo, a mirror, and a temperature gauge. All of this for just $36. Do you think it's worth it? Remember the 2-story tent. Get ready for the 3-story stove, the Aquaforno. This all-in-one wonder is a boiler, grill, smoker, oven, and rotisserie rolled into one. Each layer works independently, but when stacked, they create a tower that weighs only 18 kilograms. It assembles in just 3 minutes and runs on wood briquettes, charcoal, or pellets. It's no surprise it won the Camping Product of the Year award in 2017. At $500, it's a splurge, but totally worth it.